Hi, I'm Francesco Francio, Innovation Manager for Tree, and I'm glad to tell the story about the ABB Open Innovation Program. In 2019, ABB, in partnership with Tree, invited over 1,000 technology startup companies to take part in an Open Innovation Challenge. The challenge was to deliver a predictive maintenance solution for Industry 4.0, with a particular emphasis on health, safety, and positive environmental impact. We catch up here with one of the 3 finalists that have deployed the solution through collaboration with ABB over the last year. Hi Federico, great to see you again. Could you tell us more about your company?
Well, thank you for asking. So, Synesis is a kind of a typical organization. We are a non-profit organization that is made out of small and medium enterprises that are based in Italy and Germany. But also we have the very important collaboration and partnership with the company of the Italian Research Institute, CNR, Consiglio Nazionale delle Ricerche, and of the German Institute Fraunhofer Gesellschaft. So it's a combination of R&D public bodies and small and medium enterprises that has the main aim of developing knowledge and spreading it out in the industrial ecosystems.
Thanks, Federico. Let's step back for a moment. What led you to join this challenge?
Well, it was, of course, a challenge for ourselves as well, to have the possibility to cooperate with a company such as ABB, understanding in detail their needs and provide solutions. This is exactly in line with the way in which we operate in Synesis. We work really understanding the customer needs and provide solutions for specific needs. In particular, in the topic of digitalization. So we were totally aligned with the requirements of the brief.
Well, you say that ABB is a big partner to collaborate with, but what are the features and the benefits of the idea you have developed?
Well, again, in general, the benefits, I would say, are very synthetically to link data and knowledge to the operation of a specific equipment that we have been studying in ABB. So this is a typical digitalization approach linked with advanced data analysis that provided evidence of the benefits of the use of these filters. That was the equipment on which we studied on efficiency, health and safety, and environmental protection, which are fully in line with our overall objectives in Synesis that we call sustainable automation. For us, it would be the opportunity for growing more in the future in an ecosystem that is linked with the industrial application of our knowledge.
Thanks, Federico. It was a pleasure to have you here today. I wish you good luck for the competition and see you very soon.
Thank you very much.